Hello again, everybody. I thought I would give you another short video to demonstrate what you're supposed to upload for the assignment for photos, stories, and documents on Family Tree in Lesson 5, where they want a screenshot of a story that you've put into Family Search. And so let's show you how to do that. Go into Family Search and find the person that you want to attach your story to. Here's my grandfather. Then you want to go to Memories, and if you scroll down, you can find Stories. Well, I'm going to take the story that I posted as an announcement on the course about about the elephant story. So I'll put that in here. So I'll call it Tusco, and I've already copied the story into my clipboard, so I will paste it, and there it is, all about Tusco. Okay, and so that's the story. So you click on Save Story. And it works on it. And you can scroll down and look. Then let's click on the story to read it, so we can see what it looks like. So that's where they want you to go. Okay, here's the story. And I might come back later and add a photo or something, but right now we'll leave it at this. So this is the point where you take a screenshot. Now, earlier in the course we showed you a link to this site, take a screenshot, take-a-screenshot.org, that shows you all the information on how to take a screenshot for just about any program you can think of. So I'm just going to hit the print screen button on my keyboard. I did it. Then I'm going to call up Paint. Everybody probably has Paint on their computer. There's Paint. Okay, now I'm going to paste by hitting print screen on my keyboard, that copied an image of the screen to the clipboard. And so now I'll paste the contents of the clipboard, and there's my image. And so then I can file, save it as just a picture somewhere, and we'll call it Tusco, and save. Okay, then I have my screenshot all ready to take to the page. Go to the page where the assignment says upload the photo, and that's the image that you upload. So that's uploading a story and what image you're supposed to set to upload. So I hope that was helpful. See you later.